Hey, how's it, Johnny? How's it, Duffo? Yeah, bro, I just flew from Josie. Yeah, sis, what a jewel, eh? What a jewel. That place used to be cock, eh? But now, bro, I don't even know I'm still standing, eh? I was bumping chicks left, right, and center, but they couldn't get enough of my chop. These chicks schmarked my chop, Johnny. There was this one chick, yeah. She had these twin sisters, and yes, you should have checked about her, Johnny. I had them all, eh? All of them, and I was chaffing them hard, boot. And their mom, yeah, I almost forgot about their mom. Yeah, their mom, her tits, their mom, bro, their mom. Her tits and my chop were like two buns and a booty, boot. And I know I could have been pumping right now. I could have been pumping hard, but I knew you was on your ace. And yes, sis, how's it? How is it? Yes, sis Charlie, who are these chicks? Who are these chicks? Are these your cherries? Check it out. Check the neck on that one, Jenna. Check it out. We'll be bumping, Jenna. How's it, ladies? How's it? How's it? Yeah. Schmacka pop.